of focus with cognitive psychology. Memory. Cognitive psychology examines how memory works, including processes such as encoding, storage, and retrieval of information. Attention. Attention is a fundamental cognitive process that determines what information we process and how we allocate mental resources to different tasks or stimuli. Perception. Perception involves the organization and interpretation of sensory information, shaping our understanding of the world around us. Problem solving. Cognitive psychology investigates the cognitive processes involved in problem solving, decision-making, and critical thinking. Language processing. Cognitive psychology explores how humans acquire, understand, and produce language, including the underlying cognitive mechanisms involved in linguistic processing. Concept formation. Cognitive psychologists study how individuals categorize and organize information into meaningful concepts and schemas. Attentional control. Cognitive psychology examines mechanisms of attentional control, including selective attention, divided attention, and sustained attention. Working memory. Working memory refers to the temporary storage and manipulation of information necessary for ongoing cognitive tasks, such as reasoning, comprehension, and decision-making. Executive functions. Cognitive psychology investigates executive functions, including abilities such as planning, inhibition, cognitive flexibility, and working memory updating. Visual perception. Cognitive psychologists study how visual information is processed, including object recognition, depth perception, and visual attention. Auditory perception. Cognitive psychology explores how auditory information is perceived and processed, including speech perception, sound localization, and auditory attention. Spatial cognition. Cognitive psychology examines how individuals perceive, navigate, and mentally represent spatial information, including mental maps and spatial reasoning. Attentional biases. Cognitive psychologists investigate attentional biases, such as the tendency to attend more to certain stimuli based on their emotional relevance or personal significance. Problem-solving strategies. Cognitive psychology examines different problem-solving strategies, including algorithms, heuristics, and insight-based approaches. Expertise and skill acquisition. Cognitive psychology explores how individuals acquire expertise and develop specialized skills through practice, experience, and learning. Decision-making. Cognitive psychology investigates the cognitive processes involved in decision-making, including rational decision-making, biases, and heuristics. Metacognition. Cognitive psychology examines metacognitive processes including self-awareness, self-monitoring, and self-regulation of cognitive activities. Neural mechanisms. Cognitive psychology investigates the neural basis of cognitive processes, including brain regions and networks involved in memory, attention, perception, and problem-solving. Cognitive development. Cognitive psychology studies how cognitive abilities develop across the lifespan, including infancy, childhood, adolescence, adulthood, and old age. Applications. Cognitive psychology has practical applications in various fields, including education, healthcare, human-computer interaction, and artificial intelligence, where understanding cognitive processes can inform the design of interventions, technologies, and environments to enhance human performance and well-being.